not much to do when all I
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to the vlog. Please ignore the background voice. I'm actually watching the movie Nigeria. So anyway, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and please comment below. Don't forget to share to your friends and family. If you are new, my name is Maryam, and welcome back to my vlog. Yeah, so today I'm just at home. If you are hearing any voice, I just tell you to ignore, because right now we are using these lights, but the light in my area is not really constant like that. It's not really consistent, so we decided to install solar, and that is what they are doing upstairs. They are trying to, I think, the panel also. So that's what they are trying to do. And I'm inside, I'm famished. I'm microwaving my food, and I just finished grinding the pepper. I just feel like, let me just do one or two things and sit down, sleep. And again, I just got my package. Like the package I've been expecting for the past weeks now. A week, I think it's more than a week now. Close to 2 weeks I've been expecting this package, but now here it is, and I am happy it's here. So let me show you guys. So guys, I just told you to ignore the background voice. Yeah, so this is a blazer. I ordered it. I moved it in the office. I really like the texture, and I just like it. It looks so nice, and it has a pocket here, or no pocket here. So it has a pocket here, and I'm happy about it. So that's for the blazer, and this is for the shirt. I love the texture. Texture looks so nice. And this is for the shirt. I actually don't have much t-shirts, so I just feel like I have white shirts, but I just need more. So that was the reason I ordered this. And this, I just feel like when I'm inside, I need something free, something, because I'm always with Bobo. So, and I love this when I saw it online. So that was the reason I bought this. So, and for this shirt, it looks somehow small when I see it now. I love the texture. See the way it's dazzling. Like, I just feel like this actually looks smaller than what I expected. And recently I just knew I'm size 8, because I usually feel like I'm size 6. I feel I look more smaller than, well, it was my sister that made me understand that I'm size 8, not size 6, because I'm getting more, I don't know, I'm gaining more weight. Yeah, so like this shirt, I really feel like I love it a lot, and trust me, I'll be putting this on very soon, anytime soon. All right.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think
Almost a year now. I took precaution right. And right now, my precaution right is great. Precaution with fish and so guys, I want to eat maybe I'll be watching movie as well. Just let's see how I'll be able to eat what I need. Alright guys.
you're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine.
There's not much to do when all I